Hi, this is Paula, and it's Father's Day this weekend coming up, and my husband likes lasagna, so I thought what a great thing to do is make fresh lasagna. So we're starting out with, we're actually going to make our lasagna noodles, all right? So if you followed my recipe on how to make the fresh egg noodles, this is basically that recipe, but we're using a different we're using the lasagna noodle attachment. So this is how it goes. And I want you to see this. How easy this is. This is the first time I've ever done it with the lasagna noodles. But it's so pretty. I can't wait until you see it. And I think that's long enough. So I just go like this. Open it up. There it is. There's the lasagna noodle. So I'm just going to lay it on my plastic cutting boards. And I'll just continue doing that. And then we'll cook the lasagna noodles. And then we'll put it together with sauce. Fresh mozzarella and some ricotta and some eggs. So while we'll be waiting for the water to boil to cook my lasagna noodles, we got about 12 lasagna noodles out of that recipe. We're going to put together the ricotta mixture. So I have about, I'd say, 30 ounces of ricotta, whole milk ricotta, in this bowl. I'm going to take 2 eggs. We're going to scramble them up. Okay. I'm going to stir that in to the ricotta. And then once that's stirred in, stir that egg in. I want to put about a good tablespoon of parsley. And then there it is. This is the ricotta mixture. Okay, so what you're going to do is, and we also have some sauce. You can either use a can of sauce or a jar of sauce. About, I'd say, a good 24 ounces of sauce you're going to need. I have 16, nope, I have more than, I have 16 ounces of shredded fresh mozzarella here. Okay, so when we come back, we'll put the noodles in the water, we'll cook those up, and then we'll put everything together. It's time to put those fresh lasagna noodles in the water. And we're just putting them in. And I'm making sure that kind of stir them as I go. Okay. So this is kind of fun. I've never done this. The lasagna noodles, homemade. So like I said, we got about 12 of those noodles. I'm going to let those cook. And once they're cooked, I'm going to drain them. And then we'll come and we will put that lasagna, cheese lasagna together. Okay. So, we'll see you shortly. The noodles are done finally. I took them out and I drained them, okay, and in little cold water. So now we're going to put our lasagna together. So you're going to take a spoonful of sauce. You're going to put it on the bottom of the pan like this, okay, just cover the pan, bottom. So it goes sauce, noodles. Let me get another noodle. They look so unbelievable. That's great. I'm only going to need 3 noodles to cover the bottom of the pan completely. Okay, so it was sauce, noodles. Now we want to put some of that Romano cheese, ricotta cheese. And my sauce has a little Romano cheese in it this time. All right, so we have, let me show you this. So I put the ricotta cheese mix on the noodles, and now I'm going to take this fresh mozzarella and put it on top of that, just like that. And then I'm going to continue. Sauce, noodles, cheese. Sauce, noodles, cheese until I am done. And we'll be back for the finished product before it goes in a 350-degree oven for about a good half hour. Here is the lasagna ready to go in that 350-degree oven, anywhere from a half an hour to 45 minutes. So I'm going to put this in the oven right now on the middle rack. And when we come back, we will do a taste test. Lasagna's been cooking a good 45 minutes in the oven. So we're going to take that out now. And usually you let it set for a good, I'd say 15 minutes to a half an hour. But my husband's hungry, so he wants this lasagna now. So I'm going to see how it goes, because usually you really have to let it set. He's going to have to let it set. So we'll be back when this is set. I mean, I can try to get it out, but I think it's going to be a mess. Yeah. Can try it. That's the one thing about lasagna. You got to let it set before you dish it out. But we'll try. Oh, that wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad. Not as bad as I thought. Maybe it's different with the fresh noodles. So I guess we can give him this. And let me show you what it looks like. This is what the lasagna looks like. And we'll hear from my husband in a little bit. Taking a bite. Now let's ask him how it is. How is it, honey?
It's very good.
It's very good. And what he said to me prior to that was it was excellent. So until next time, if you like this video, please subscribe. And this is Mama Paula, and may God bless you.